Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with letter L in Filet Crochet. The basics of Filet Crochet and how to work the foundation DCs are given as link videos in the description box below. Please refer to them. And this video I am recording in normal speed. You can always view the YouTube videos in slow speed by going into the settings. Okay, to begin with, let us make 61 DCs, foundation DCs as the first row. Second, third and fourth rows are having one solid square on either side with 18 open squares in between them. The fifth row, you have one solid square as the beginning, 3, 6, 7 open squares, 3 solid squares, 2 open squares, 2 solid square, the rest are open squares ending with solid square. The sixth row, 1 solid square, 3 open, 1 solid, 2 open square, 2 solids, 3 open squares, 1 solid, the rest are open squares to end with solid square. Seventh row, 1 solid, 10 open, 2 solid, 2 open, 1 solid, 3 open and 1 solid to end with. The eighth row, 1 solid, 4 open squares, 2 solids, 1 open square, 2 solids and the rest are open squares. The ninth row, 1 solid square, 8 open squares, 2 solid squares, the rest are open squares ending with 1 solid square. 10th row, 1 solid square, 8 open squares, 2 solid squares, the rest are open squares in that row with ending with solid square. The 11th row, 1 solid square, 3, 6, 7, 8 open squares, 1 solid square, the rest are open squares and ending with 1 solid square. 12th row, 1 solid square, 10 open squares, 1 solid square, 2 open squares, 1 solid square, the rest are open squares. The 13th row, 1 solid square, 5 open squares, 2 solid squares, the rest are open squares. 14th, 15th and 16th rows have 1 solid square on either ends with 18 open squares in between them, and the 17th row is always 20 solid squares or 61 DCs. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day.